Welcome. If you're concerned about your privacy on Pinterest and want to stop the platform from sharing your activity with partners, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to prevent Pinterest from sharing your information, all from your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Pinterest.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage your account preferences. Now, within the settings menu, locate and select Privacy and Data. This section is where Pinterest gives you control over how your information is used and shared. Take a moment to review the options here if you're interested. But for now, let's focus on the main goal: stopping Pinterest from sharing your activity with its partners. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Sharing Info with Partners. By default, this box might be checked, allowing Pinterest to share your activity and data with third-party partners for things like personalized ads and analytics. To prevent this, simply click the checkbox to uncheck it. This tells Pinterest you do not want your information shared with their partners. Once you've made this change, don't forget to save your settings. Look for the Save button at the bottom or top of the page and click it. This step is crucial. Your preferences won't be updated unless you save them. And that's it. You've successfully updated your privacy settings to stop Pinterest from sharing your activity with partners. Taking a few minutes to review and adjust your privacy controls is a great way to protect your personal information online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.